Hello creatives! 皆さん、こんにちは. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Sakura flowers. Well, let's get to it. Okay, so I want you to remember this, that Sakura flowers the petal has a cut on the top. And then you're going to draw 5 of them. That's how the Sakura flowers is consist of. And then this direction is 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's the direction that you want to draw. Petal here, and maybe I'll just draw a wrinkle area, wrinkle part. And then you're going to draw underneath the second petal. And then the third petal here. And number 4. Again, always it just looks really pretty that when it's underneath, if you can see this, the new petal is always underneath. Okay, let's continue. So I'm drawing another one. And then lastly, drawing the 5th petal. I always recommend you to turn the canvas around, so I can see that it's really off. So I'm going to just erase it and draw the last petal. Maybe even more this way. Yeah. Because I want to express like natural feelings. I'm not using any tools. Everything is hand drawing. So like this. And then after that, I'm just going to erase in the middle because we are going to draw, what do you call, pistils. So I have to write down the word, otherwise I can't remember. All right, so the pistil is kind of like in the round on the top and then the long part. So it's basically the collection of these. So we're going to draw this random size, random length. Just looks really nice that way. So that's it. And you can draw, how do you say, the side. Of course, you can draw from different angles. So let's try this. Let's say it's right before, let's say I'm going to draw the sakura that is not bloom 100%, kind of like opening up. So then here you go, you can see the pistils. Imagine that the flower is kind of like long and skinny. Like this. And I'm going to erase. And this is the tree trunk. Another one. Maybe this one is more open. It's really beautiful when when you add these wrinkles, like really nice and sharp wrinkles. And And I might want to add one more here. No, let's see. One more petal. Make sure it's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here it's 5. And pistils. Like that. Yeah. Just like this. I'm going to draw a different angle. So we're starting off from this long part. That's one, what do you call it, petal here, and one more here. So I will just going to add some pistils here. And then this one is a little bit longer. 1, 2, 3. Make sure you always count how many petals you're drawing. So something like this. So what you can do is when you're drawing, you can draw Sakura in the different sizes. It takes a long time, but once you draw the Sakura with the different sizes and a little bit with the details, it looks really, really nice with the art. So something like this. And once it gets really, really far away, then you can just draw something this, how do you say, more simplified shapes. But it's just when you're drawing, you know, close up, I'll recommend you to give it a little bit more details like this. If you're doing digital, of course, you can make a Sakura brush, or you can buy or install the free materials if you can find it. But yeah, this is it. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. Mata ne, I'll see you again. じゃあね。バイバイ。